Smartphones are great, but they cannot beat a dedicated point-and-shoot camera when it comes to optical zoom, physical controls, and that polished professional look. Whether you are a vlogger, a traveler, or just someone who wants better photos without lugging around a DSLR, there's a perfect compact camera for you. I have tested the best point-and-shoot cameras of 2026 to find out which ones deliver the best image quality, zoom range, and features. Let's get into it. The Sony ZV-1F is the best entry-level point-and-shoot for vloggers and content creators who want to step up from their smartphone. This compact camera is designed specifically for video, with a wide-angle lens that is perfect for selfies and group shots. The large sensor delivers excellent image quality with natural colors and good low-light performance. The built-in directional microphone picks up your voice clearly, and the included windscreen reduces noise on windy days. The product showcase mode automatically shifts focus from your face to an object you hold up, perfect for haul videos or product reviews. The flip-up screen lets you see yourself while recording, and the simple interface means you can start shooting immediately. The background defocus button blurs the background with one press. For beginner content creators who want a simple, effective vlogging camera, this is the smart choice. Check the link in the description below. The Panasonic LUMIX F-Seed 80D is the best all-in-one point-and-shoot for travelers and wildlife enthusiasts who need massive zoom range. This camera packs an incredible zoom lens that goes from wide angle to super telephoto, letting you capture everything from sweeping landscapes to distant wildlife without changing lenses. The 4K video recording is solid, and the image stabilization helps keep shots steady at long zoom ranges. The electronic viewfinder is useful in bright sunlight when the rear screen is hard to see. The camera is larger than typical point-and-shoots, but still manageable for day trips and hikes. The battery life is decent, and the camera runs on standard SD cards. The raw shooting capability gives you flexibility for editing. For travelers who want one camera that does everything without carrying extra lenses, this is a versatile workhorse. Grab yours through the link in the description below. The Sony ZV-1 II is the best premium point-and-shoot for serious vloggers and creators who want advanced features in a compact package. This updated version of the ZV-1 adds a wider zoom lens that is even better for selfies and group shots. The large sensor delivers excellent image quality with natural colors and good low-light performance. The built-in variable microphone lets you adjust between front, rear, and omnidirectional pickup patterns, adapting to different shooting situations. The cinematic vlog mode gives your videos a more professional look with easy color grading. The real-time tracking autofocus keeps you sharp even when moving, and the product showcase mode works instantly. The battery life is improved over the original, and the USB-C charging is convenient for travel. For serious creators who want pro-level video features in a pocketable camera, this is the best option. I have linked the Sony ZV-1 II down in the description. The Canon PowerShot V1 is the best point-and-shoot for hybrid shooters who want excellent photo and video quality in one compact body. This camera is designed for creators who need both stunning stills and professional video. The large sensor delivers sharp, detailed photos with natural Canon colors that look great straight out of the camera. The 4K video is excellent, with Canon's legendary autofocus that locks onto faces and subjects instantly. The built-in ND filter lets you shoot video in bright conditions without overexposing. The flip-up screen is perfect for vlogging and high-angle shots. The built-in microphone is decent, with a mic input for external audio. The compact size fits easily in a bag or large pocket. For creators who need a camera that does everything well, photos, video, and vlogging, this is a fantastic all-rounder. Check the link in the description below. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is the best premium point-and-shoot for vloggers and travelers who want the perfect balance of size, image quality, and features. This camera has been a favorite for years, and the latest version continues that legacy. The large sensor delivers stunning photos with natural colors and excellent low-light performance. The 4K video is crisp, and the flip-up screen is perfect for self-recording. The fast lens lets in plenty of light, creating beautiful background blur. The built-in ND filter is a lifesaver for outdoor video. The live streaming capability lets you broadcast directly to YouTube or Facebook without a computer. The compact size fits in a pocket, making it perfect for travel and everyday carry. The Canon colors are warm and pleasing, requiring little editing. For vloggers, travelers, and anyone who wants a premium compact camera that just works, this is the best choice. So I have linked the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III down in the description for you. That wraps up the best point-and-shoot cameras for 2026. Whether you want the vlogging focus of the Sony ZV-1F, the massive zoom of the Panasonic F-Seed 80D, or the premium hybrid performance of the Canon G7X Mark III, every link is waiting in the description below. If this helped you find the perfect compact camera for your adventures, hit that subscribe button for more honest camera breakdowns, and I will see you in the next one.